Right then, we have been sent a toy to try out. So it's articulating industrial borescope with a 1080p nice clear picture. So this is the packaging. See underneath. So the model, screen size, camera, image resolution, view angle, all the goodness on the back there. And what's included, and this is nice, you've got the Type-C charger, which is what most are using now. Comes with a card, which is good. Obviously comes with a user's manual and a nice product bag. So let's get it out and have a look at it. Right, here. Now thank you to Jane from KAiWEETS who reached out to see if we wanted to try this out. And the timing couldn't have been better, as I was thinking of getting one of these anyway to scope out the ST170 engine. So, lovely. Nice quality box. Nice quality carry case. The aforementioned user's manual in many languages, so that's good news. That in there. I've already had this out and charged it up, but it did come uncharged, so we needed to use the charging cable. And it didn't take too long to charge up, so happy days. Let's turn it on. Lovely. And there's the camera. So I'm gonna a shot at my mug there, upside down. Turn that around somehow, I guess. Well, there we go. The focal range, you can see my spotty chin there. I need a shave. The focal range is about 2 centimeters to 100 centimeters, so from about 20 mil to about 100 mil, and then everything out of that then will be fairly out of focus, as you can see on there. But as you get up close, look at the detail on that. Now if I press that button, that should put us into video mode. Press that button. Now that will now start recording. So we can stuff that down in there and have a look around. Look. And what's really good about this is if we twiddle this knob, you can see how the end wobbles around. So that's good news. So we can poke it down a hole such as this one here, and then have a good nose around what's going on in there. Probably don't want to see in there because you can see rust. I can't get to. Yeah, look at that. Excellent. So let's pull it out of there and stuff it down the bores of the engine and see what we got inside. All right, let's give it a whirl. Let's pull the plugs out first. Right, this will be the first time I've put this down the bores, so I'm as nervous as you guys probably are, hoping that we got this right. Right, so there we are, ready to go. This is fantastic. I love the wibbly bit on the end. Right, okay. No more messing around. Let's get video on and let's see what we got. Oh, that's promising. You can see a nice cross hatch in the bore. Get this to turn around a bit. Tops of the pistons are a bit manky, but I'm not surprised at that because I've just been running it on rough carbs just to get it. But that looks nice. No bore scratching as far as we can tell. See if we can get it to go round to check the top of the bores. Oh, a little bit of a scratch on the top there. Nothing too horrendous. I've seen a lot worse. Try to keep this in shot with you guys. Oh. Okay, let's try the next one. Oh, a little bit of corrosion that one where I've been it's been left for a while, but nothing too horrific. Nice and easy to use. Nice clear lens screen on it, and the 1080p certainly helps. And the focal range is pretty good as well. You can get in really close with it, and being able to move the end around is a big help. Look at that. Can we get up close and see what's going on? Okay, let's try the next one. Yeah, that looks alright. Got some nice cross hatching still in the bores, which is what we want to see. Lovely. You get a little bit of surface corrosion where it's not been used for a while, but that'll soon work away when we start running the engine properly. Yeah, lovely. So, all in all, get me pointing in the right direction. There we go. All in all, I'd say that's a good bit of kit. Happy days. So we should be able to scroll through menus here. So we've got the menu there, so you can see there. Oh, or maybe you can't see it. We just change that so we can see. There we go. So we've got, I said the 1080p, but we can change that if we want to. For, I suppose, if you wanted more card space. Image quality, so for photographs you can take actual shots of it, so photographic shots, so there's 2 megapixel camera in it. It has audio as well, so it will pick up audio, and time and tab thingy stamps as well, which is not unusual. Right, there was a way. Oh, there we go. So you can see now what we've recorded. So let's go with what have I done? That's just me messing about earlier. Now start recording. Alright, there we go. Stuff that down in there
about this is if you turn the list knob, you can see at the end.
Ah, that's my recording earlier.
So that's good news. So we can. Let's see what we got.
Oh, there we go. This is the recording we just did down the engine bores. There we go. Excellent. And we can copy this off then, of course, onto a computer.
That's promising.
Using either the SD card, which comes out the side here, or you can plug this directly through the USB-C cable into your PC and it'll pick it up. It also comes with some gadgets. So flip the lid on that. So we got these all screw on the end of there, and you got a little pickup hook, a pickup magnet, which is you drop something down and you want to go fishing for it, happy days. And there's a little mirror thingy, so that'll go on, so we can pick this up on the lens here somehow, and you'll see how the idea of that is, I suppose, with it on the end of there, you'll see 90 degrees to what you're looking at. So happy days, all useful bits and bobs. Fantastic bit of kit. Thank you again, Jane at KAiWEETS, or KAiWEETS, I'm not quite sure how you say that. Lovely, there we go. I think that's a good bit of kit, that. So very pleased with that. I shall enjoy having a good rummage around. Maybe I'll have a nose through the MX-5 engine at some point and see how that goes. Nice and easy to use, very intuitive. Thoroughly recommend it. And you'll see a link to it in the description down below, and discount codes and all that goodness. Thanks for watching.